Madame la Présidente,
Dear Mrs. President, dear ladies and gentlemen, members of the committee, I wanted to greet and hail your commitment in this struggle, this constant struggle for democracy and freedom. As you know, how we are paying attention to such values and such campaign. Being able to be next to you today is ordinary, but is crucial so that the voice of freedom can be heard. I want to say first that I am glad, I rejoice about the sentence which was issued today. It's decisive on different levels. Firstly, it's marking the independence between the judicial powers and the diplomacy, so that today the right and the law is victorious, and this was important. What could we have said if the attack had taken place, if there had been fatalities as a result of this attack? We would not be able to understand that the judicial decision wasn't strong enough if there was no victims. For me, the act that was committed is at the same level. The intent was what mattered, and this was what sanctioned as much as the act that didn't happen. And it was essential that justice was served and that diplomacy was put out of this situation. So I would like to pay tribute to the freedom and the independence of the Belgian justice in this case. I would like to pay tribute also to those who have supported this decision, and you are all one amongst them. Anybody attending this meeting today and yourself at first, the President, it's not the end of a fight. I believe it's the first page of a new book which should be opened today. With this decision, it's a strong signal which is sent to the whole European diplomacy, and also in particular to the French diplomacy, I hope. I believe that this will remain in history, and the decisions which were issued were quite severe, but were proportional to the acts that they were wanted to carry out. And we have understood it is a criminal system and not a political system. I believe it's important to note that tomorrow we try to link the two together with different diplomatic pressures, but which were ignored by those who managed to take this to the end of the process. This decision is a way to justify your fight and the need that it has to be pursued, and the significance that all the countries who care about democracy, about freedom, can seize this and make sure that this regime comes to an end. So it's more than a friendly greetings to the Iranian people. I acknowledge all your action, and I would like to accompany you further along with my colleagues who are part of this committee. And I believe so, and I'm their spokesman today for those who couldn't speak today. To carry on the fight, it's a revolutionary slogan I used to say when I was a student, and somehow it's my youth which is coming back to me with the fact that you are pursuing. Thank you very much and good luck.